Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ollie here from CryptoVest.com. It's the 29th of October today, and we're going to be looking at Zcash trading against Bitcoin over 4-hour candles. For those of you that have been following the news will know that today Zcash announced the activation of its Sapling upgrade, which is it's been a long time coming. It's a huge upgrade. It's increasing the efficiency of the Zcash network. It's reducing transaction construction times by over 90%, reducing memory by 97%. And it's like reducing it down like 40 megabytes, so it's having a huge impact on the general sort of Zcash network, and a really big thing for the community. But unfortunately, it's come at what appears to be a very bad time. Bitcoin's just taken a bit of a dip. It's now at around $6,350. The rest of the market has turned bearish alongside it, and obviously you can see it's had an effect on this particular asset as well. It is inside now a bearish head and shoulders pattern, although bulls are doing a very good job right now of keeping it away from the sort of danger zone here. So we're going to be taking a look at these two main support lines here now. And so you have this downtrending neckline here, which is the sort of entry and exit points of each part of the head and shoulders pattern. So the left shoulder started and finished here, the head picked up from here, hit an all sort of a higher point here, came back down, and then obviously the right shoulder is now formed, and we're back along it here. We actually did break all the way down onto this support, but it's been a very strong support since it sort of flipped over from a resistance on the 19th of October. And as you can see, we managed to hold ourselves up here, managed to catch the dip here, and obviously in the last 4-hour candle, it gave bulls an opportunity to fight back against a downtrend. And so now we've got this kind of ongoing battle right now between bulls and bears, where the bears are trying to force it down and complete this pattern, but bulls are really trying hard to kind of do what Binance Coin has been doing recently, where that was also looking like it was about to travel inside a bearish head and shoulders pattern, but then the market, well, traders are able to force it sideways and keep it off the neckline or breaking bearish from there, and it's since then been able to sort of make a fairly good recovery. So that sort of seems to be what's going on right now. But if we'll just play along with it and assume that it's going to break bearish, we've got a few indications that it will. If we look at the Ishimoku indicator, you can see that candles have now passed bearishly through the supporting Kumo, which is a very strong reversal pattern. We also have momentum showing a market decline on the RSI indicator here. It has fell all the way from 57 all the way down to 38, and we look like we're heading back now towards the oversold region. And obviously we've also got a bearish crossover between the 12 MA and the 26 MA, and we've also got our first sort of selling candle appear on the histogram. So obviously bearish selling pressure is overpowering the bulls right now. It should be turning bearish, and so what we're going to be looking at is this first support region here at 0.017 BTC down to 0.0178 BTC. We've got a second support zone here, which is probably looking like the sort. I think if it does break from here, I think it will probably catch along this 0.0172 BTC line, but it may find support early at 0.0175, and then we have this big buy zone below. And this is between 0.017 dead BTC and then all the way down to 0.0166. Historically, this has been a good buy zone for Zcash. Let's have a look back in time. And you can see, especially at the sort of mid-September level when we had the end of the bear market, this would have been a great time to buy into Zcash and catch it before it rode it. And if you actually did ride it from this lower support here, you would have been able to make a 35% gain from that over the course of the month. So a really good buy zone. If it does dip into here, it will be a great opportunity to catch it cheap. And then from there, next month, on the 4th of November, Zcash's roadmap has scheduled the release of their V2.0.2 upgrade. So some things coming in the very near future that could produce some bullish runs. So yeah, that's how we're looking right now. A little bit sad, obviously. We would have liked to have seen Zcash continue this uptrend on the right shoulder and push on, but unfortunately Bitcoin and the rest of the market is taking a bit of a tumble right now, so it's just kind of figuring that out. But yeah, keep an eye on this one, guys, and yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. The full TA will be on CryptoVest.com, and please like and subscribe. Cheers.